Well, a superb piece of antique Rockingham in this flourish grey and gilt high Rococo style. Dates from between 1840 and around 1860. Made in Yorkshire by Rockingham. No actual Rockingham marks on any of the pieces in this set, but we're pretty certain by the style and the nature of the china and the mouldings that this is definitely Rockingham. And it's got a pattern reference number 3666. Beautiful ornate flower bud, typical of Rockingham's work around this period, and this gilt decoration all around this beautifully conserved lid. It's absolutely gorgeous when you get close up and look at the detailing, and it's so fine, these decorators' work at this stage. Lovely twisted rope handle on both sides. Now there is an antique repair on this aspect. It's been very well done. Probably professionally repaired. You can see this tiny little clue of it here, just a tiny bit of staining in that crack. That's all you get really. But then when you come around here and just see it's not palpable but still just visible where this element of the handle at some stage has come away but been repaired very professionally, I must say, and it's hardly noticeable unless you get really close up, but obviously significantly affects the overall commercial value of this piece, which would be far greater value if it wasn't for that antique repair. Beautiful pedestal bowl. We've got the 3666 in antique font on the base there from the decorators. Unglazed footplate with lovely pattern on it, shows its age, but the actual porcelain itself crystal clear, clean, lovely inner rim. No damage here on the rim for the opening on this very large sugar basin with its lid. Gorgeous display piece, very English, very of its period, mid 1800s, and in fantastic condition bar that one repair that really doesn't damage its aesthetics in any way, but it poses an absolute bargain for somebody wanting for a piece of Yorkshire pottery history to display and really enjoy looking at. Thanks for watching.